Hey guys, welcome back to the Updike Family Homestead. Is your garden overrunning with jalapenos? Come on, let's go make cowboy candy.
Hey y'all, we are the Updike family located in the mountains of Tennessee. We're excited to share our homesteading journey with all of you. From the farm to the table, we'll share the ins and outs, the ups and downs, from recipes and how-tos to our adventures of running a homestead. So come on in and join us. From our home to yours, welcome to the Updike Family Homestead.
Alright friends, so now that we have let our jalapenos simmer for 5 minutes, we're going to go ahead and fill up our half-pint jars. These are hot. I have pulled them from the boiling water. We're going to water bath them. So these are hot jars, hot liquid going into the hot jars going into the hot water bath. Alright, so fill these jars up to 1/4 inch. I absolutely love this specific funnel. So if you can see here, the measurements are right here. 1/4 inch is going to be just below the rim. So let me pull this up and you can kind of see. So there's the very top. So just at this second ring here, okay? And of course, you'll need something that you can pop those bubbles. So if you have a bubble popper, great. You can use a spoon or a knife, just anything to go around that outer edge to get all of those bubbles out. Now, before we put that lid on there, we're gonna take some white distilled vinegar, wipe that rim just to make sure that it's clean. Put your lid on and then secure it with a ring, finger tight. We don't want these jars to bust. That one is ready to go. Alright friends, once you have prepped all of your jars of your cowboy candy, go ahead and put them into that water bath canner. We're going to process these because they are half pints. We're going to process them for 10 minutes. If you're doing pints, you want to do 15 minutes. And if you're doing quarts, then you want to do them for 20 minutes. Alright, after your timer goes off for whatever time, so like I said, if you're doing those half pints, you're doing it for 10 minutes. You're going to let these sit on your counter with the rings still on overnight. 24 hours is fine. Then you're going to remove the rings, make sure you label them, and you are good to go. And that, my friends, is how you make cowboy candy.